Case Study Summary. The Jefferson High School coach, Bud Miller, has built a very successful football program, winning 3 state championships in 5 years. Coach Miller is strongly supported by the school and community due to the revenue and notoriety his successes bring. Coach Miller is known to have aggressive tendencies, with several complaints having been filed against him. The principal has failed to act on these complaints due to a close personal friendship with Coach Miller. Coach Miller became enraged during the review of game tapes with the team after a loss. Coach Miller threw a chair and hit a player, giving him a concussion. The parents of the player notified the superintendent and their school board member. The parents cited the close personal relationship between Coach Miller and the principal as being the reason the principal was not contacted. The parents of the player have also taken steps to bring legal action against the district, coach, and principal. The local media is also aware, and the story was front-page news. The superintendent has notified the principal and required a complete report about the professional conduct of Bud Miller as a coach and teacher.